In this video, I have another box to open for you, and if you've watched any of my other videos where I open mysterious packages that come in the mail, you probably already know what's in this box. But before we get into the video, hi, my name is Ryan Treadaway, founder of TreadawayTraining.com, where we help busy professionals get more results in less time through online training. If you want more information on body transforming training and nutrition topics every Saturday, along with the occasional product video, consider subscribing. That's right. We have another scale because apparently we have the Eros Scale by Inevifit. They sent me out this unit and asked me to do an unboxing and initial impressions review. So let's take a look. First thing is that the packaging, at least, you know, I get good impressions so far. A lot of these scales come in just plain brown cardboard boxes with no information on the outside of them. So it is a nice touch to see that they did put some attention to detail in the packaging. So on the back here we have all of the different measurements that the scale can do, similar to other body fat scales on the market. And then right here it actually has the instructions right here on the app. So it tells you scan here to download the app, and then create your profile, and then bada bing bada boom, you're done. Now this is a very nice looking unit. Before actually using it and knowing if I like the scale or not, I will say that this is the nicest body fat scale that I've reviewed on the channel so far, so there is that. And another thing I'm noticing is the contacts on this scale are exposed versus some of them are under the glass. It does seem like the ones where the contacts are under the glass, seems like they are a little bit less accurate, so I am happy to see this. Let's pop those batteries in there and let's check this scale out. So let's look at these instructions. I assume it's going to be similar to what was already on the back. It's explaining the contacts to you, same instructions that were on the back. So scan the thing, download the app. Let's go ahead and let's download the app. My phone's not in my pocket. Find my phone. So let's download the app, install, pounds, inches, February 12, height 6'0", athlete mode. Ooh. So this one does have the athletic mode toggle on here. So this may be a contender for the best body fat scale. Now, like with the Renpho, it has that same athletic mode toggle. And then, like I said in previous videos, the E-Tech City scales, as well as other scales, do not have that athletic mode toggle, which makes these estimates, because that's what that's doing, is it's sending a current through your body and then estimating based on some algorithm stuff. If you want to learn how these scales actually work, I have another video on that you can watch. It'll be linked up in the corner. But the athlete mode will make that prediction a little bit more accurate if you work out regularly and have more muscle mass than the average person. So this one may be as accurate, or maybe even more so than the Renpho. I guess we will see here in a moment. So we have Fitbit and Google Fit, which I'm not going to set those up right now. I'm a Samsung Health kind of guy, and I use the Renpho for that. Skip. So let's choose this device. It looks like it already picked this guy up, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, never mind. It didn't. It did not find it. It's asking me to find it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'll stand on the scale. So it looks like, okay, yeah, so it already found the scale. Very fast setup process. Okay, and it went ahead and already sent my measurements over. Now, a lot of these body fat scales use the same exact app, and they just have a different branding on them. It's just kind of a clone of each other. The Eros Scale does actually have its own app, which is pretty cool, pretty unique. So that is something that I like. And then looking at the measurements that it put through, this is very, very similar to the Renpho scale. So if we go ahead and go look over here on the Renpho, You can see the body fat measured exactly the same as what it measured on the Renpho, and that's been my big complaint about other body fat scales, is without that athletic mode toggle, it always way overestimates your body fat percentage. I would say this is pretty accurate for me right now. And then the eTech City scales, they will measure me at like 27% body fat. And I mean, even if this isn't 100% accurate, we'll say maybe I'm 15%. I'm certainly not 27%. So those are way off, whereas these two appear to be right on the money. So my initial impressions of this scale are really positive. So far, I'm liking this thing a lot. We may do another video in the future where I do maybe an update video on this to see how I continue liking it. But for now, let's go ahead and look through the rest of the features of the app while we have it pulled open. So you can do a manual input. So that's okay, that's interesting. So if you weigh yourself and you don't have your phone around, maybe, I guess that's so you can just manually enter your weight. Or if you get this scale new and then you want to go ahead and backlog some of your old weights so that you can kind of see that trend in the graph, you could go ahead and enter some manual weights so that you could track that. So there is a tracking section where we can get some graphs of different measurements. Now, I only have that one weight on here, so it's not enough to create a chart. But once you step on the scale for several days in a row and you get multiple body weights, multiple body fat measurements, all that good kind of stuff, it's going to start to create that trend over time. So, you know, if you're losing weight, or if you're trying to gain weight, or if you're just trying to maintain, you can see that trend over time. Let's go ahead and go to account. So you can have multiple members in this app. It appears the stuff that we already set up, that we already did. Messages, so I assume you can add friends on here. I know you can with other scales that are similar to this one. And then they have their product section where you can look at their other products if you want to possibly purchase the other things that they sell. So overall, I'm really liking this unit so far. I'm going to continue using it. I might give you an update video in the future, or we might do, like similar with the other videos that I've done, we might do a head-to-head comparison with this one versus the Renpho. I think this one might be the challenger that takes out the Renpho. I'm not going to say that for sure, but it very well could be. So we might do a comparison video on that one in the future. This scale is $49.99 on Amazon. I'll include that link as the first link down in the description if you're interested in purchasing the scale or just getting more information on it. And then let me know down in the comments if you do want to see that comparison video, if you do want to see this one go head to head with the Renpho, or if you want to see kind of a long-term review, let me know down in the comments and I'll make that video for you guys. And again, thanks to Inevifit for sending out this unit for review. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. If you want more content just like this, consider subscribing, or you can check out one of the videos that will be up on the screen. You can also check us out on the Treadaway Training Blogcast. We're there every Sunday at 3 p.m. That's treadawaytraining.com/blog. As always, God bless you and your family, and we'll see you tomorrow. Wash your hands.